Welcome to our double angle formulas part 5 video. Let's take a look at our example. Use a double angle formula to evaluate the expression below, cosecant of 2 pi over 3. Now notice that we don't have a specific double angle formula that deals directly with cosecant. So let's go ahead and rewrite this in terms of signs. Well, cosecant is the reciprocal sign, so we can say that cosecant of 2 pi over 3 is simply 1 over sine of 2 pi over 3. Now, using the fact that we're now dealing with sine, and since we actually have a double angle formula, we pay close attention to the input values here. So notice that here we have 2 theta, and that here we have 2 pi over 3. So let's match up those inputs. By formalizing, we can say the following. Let 2 theta be equal to 2 pi over 3. Now we need to get theta by itself, so let's go ahead and rewrite this one more time, and let's divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. So this gives you that theta is equal to 2 pi over 6. Now, dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, we get that this is equal to pi over 3, which you could have obtained by canceling the 2's over here. So that's your angle theta. Now we can say that sine of 2 pi over 3 is equal to 2 times sine of theta times cosine of theta. So we have 2 times sine of theta, which in this case is pi over 3, times cosine of pi over 3, which is your theta. Now, using our unit circle, we can find those values. So we have sine of 2 pi over 3 is equal to 2 times sine of pi over 3. So we find pi over 3, and recall that sine is associated with your y coordinate. So we have that here we get root 3 over 2 times your cosine of pi over 3, which is associated with your y coordinate of 1/2. Now, canceling the 2 with the 1/2, you get here that sine of 2 pi over 3 is equal to root 3 over 2. But that's not what we want. We actually wanted cosecant. So cosecant of 2 pi over 3 is the reciprocal of this. So we rewrite the reciprocal as 2 over square root of 3. However, since we don't like denominators to be irrational, let's rationalize this by multiplying by 1 in the form root 3 over root 3. And this now becomes 2 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 9, which simplifies to 2 times square root of 3 over 3. And we can conclude that cosecant of 2 pi over 3 is equal to 2 times root 3 over 3. And this concludes our video on how to use double angle formulas to evaluate expressions. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful night.